Now, how is 2.4? It's 6 mark. Waka inale matanyana itseng. Bari mo 2.4. Omamela hantle bari Tim and Mpho buys a box containing 21 Easter eggs. Tim and Mpho buys a box containing 21 Easter eggs. The cost of the box is 270 rand. The cost of box is 270. Team contributes 180. $180 and Mpho, comma the balance. Right. How many eggs will each of them receive? How many eggs will each of them receive? It's very important that we understand this question. Tim and Mpho buys a box containing 21 Easter eggs. Kamo boxing. Alright, kitoza mawizachi. Harare, this is the Easter box. Enali 21 eggs. Katagadi 21. I'm not going to use the exact number represented by seconds. Kitse Easter eggs, again? Right. The box it cost 270. The box. The box cost 270. Right. Team who contributor 180. Team unta 180 and then in Mpho the balance. Come on, Mpho who contributor 270 minus 180. 270 minus 180. 17 minus 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9. Again? Unsa 90 rand. Come on, Jama. Because 1 minus 1 is 0. Mpho unsa 90 rand. Again? Now, Mpho contributed 90 rand. Team contributed 180. Ha box ka hare box it cost 270 and then in the Easter egg ile 21 ka hare o mollo mongwe o fumana bokae again ha bona fumana tse tshwanang kapa tse lekanang. Why? Because the amount by contributing ha e tshwana again. So how are we going to solve this? All right, team untshitse 180, Mpho untshitse 90 rand ba di kopanya di go fa 270, but there are 21 eggs ka hare. Now, all right. It's all about rating this question. It's all about 90. 180 plus 90. Ratsiba erefa 270. Again. Then a 270 divided by 180 multiplied by 21. 270 divided by 180 multiplied by 21.
270.
Okay, well. Kolaba fa 31 e sentse le mathata. E sentse ile mathata. E sentse ile mathata. Ere ke bo. Nkadime ke etse tje. Ere ke re 270 minus 180 ke 90 ke yona. So ka mantswe a mang di 21 ke fika ke re 180 180 divided by 270. 180 divided by 270 multiplied by 20. Ke ena as case. Ha re look semo. Ha re 270 divided by 180 then multiplied by 21. Yo fa bokae? 40. 14x. 1 o contribute bokae? 90. O tlo 270 divided by 90 multiplied by 21. Yo fa bokae? A re yeng tate. 270 divided by 90 multiplied by 21. Aka go tle calculate ya vandag.
63.
60. I call nandat.
7.
I call nandat.
Yeah.
270 divided by 90 multiplied by 21.
How old?
Eh?
7 years.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not.
Yeah, 270.
Zero year.
Ban na ebe ke bo. Bon, ke 270 divided by 90 multiplied by 21. No,
63.
this is too big. No, this is too big. Box costs 270. 270 divided by 180. This answer is too big. 180.
Answer
270, even this one, it's wrong. 270 over 180 multiplied by 21. It is 31.5. And Leona, it's too big. 180 divided by 270 multiplied by 21. It is 14. No, it's too big. A guy that does. Bon, icon. 180. 180 divided by 270 multiplied 21. You have 40. Then 1 o contribute to the 90. 90 divided by 8, you have 7. Yeah. 7x. I get. And it is 14 plus 7. It is 21. Batum. Focus. 90 divided by 270. So on the amount, the amount I contribute, we divide the total amount to 270. We multiply 21 here is the x. You offer 7x. Ona I contribute to 90. Utlo fumana guy 7x. Ona I contribute to 180. Utlo fumana guy 14. And then I got about 14 plus 7 again total here 21. This is just something that we need to know. Right, I want to tell here. Hurry question 3. Simplify. 3.1.1. 5 cube times 4 times 5 times 4 squared. 3.1.2. 3ab5, 3ab6 times negative 3ab4, all be divided by 3a5 b10. 3.1.3 5 minus 4x into x minus 7x. Kopaleng ke tse ntho tsena wanna ka pele. Ke le fa 5-10 minutes. Right, harabone here guys na the same answers more. We are told to simplify. 3.1.1 K5 cube times 4 times 5 times 4 squared. But when they are expecting, they are expecting that you use the laws of exponents. Now, first of all, it is important that we check. Or the exponent here 5 1, and when we multiply numbers of the same basis, we add the exponents. Or 5 3 plus 1. Multiply. Exponent here 1. When I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add the exponents. 4 1 plus 2. 3 plus 1 4. 1 plus 2 3. Okay? And then this becomes your answer. Remember, we just simplify. You can even find an answer for this. Guy. Give a guy answer.
Multiply.
5 exponent 4 times 4 exponent 3. Who could choose?
4,000.
40,000.
40,000.
Again, that becomes an answer for that. And then the real 3.1.2. Rebana 3ab 6 times negative 3ab 4 divided by 33a5 b10. Again, now when we are here, it is important that we deal with this first. So we're going to leave this. Now because the 4 it's an even number. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, they are all even numbers. Because this 4 is an even number. I know that negative, when you square that, it becomes a positive. So what about a 3 in alawanimu? This A in alawanimu. This B in alawanimu. So you're going to take that 3, because we said negative, because we said 4 is an even number, therefore this negative squared becomes a positive. Otonka 3, unke this 1, we multiply 4. Otonka this A, 1 year thing, we multiply 4. Otonka B in a 1 year thing, we multiply 4. Then you divide by 33A5 B10. When you are here, let's simplify this. You have 3A B6, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 4 is 4. Divided by 33A5 B10. Now, haralimu, bona wetala, you are multiplying more. Only 3. When you multiply numbers of the same basis, you add the exponents. 3 or 1 plus 4, you fa 5. Or yahu A, skalabala A in alawanimu. Or when I multiply numbers of the same basis, I add the exponents. Or 1 plus 4, you fa 5. Or yahu B, only 6, only 4. When you multiply, you add. Or a B, 6 plus 4 give 10. Divide. Only 33A5 B10. Bona weta lamu. Only A5 ikaudim. Only A5 ikafasi, they will cancel. Only B10 ikaudim. Only B10 ikafasi, they will cancel. And then you are left with 3,5 divided by 3,3. When you are here, you are saying, I have 3, say 5, you cancel a 3, say 3, I'll be left with 3, say 2, which is 3 squared. I get 3 squared ke bokae? Ke 9. And then you are done. Your answer becomes 9. This is something that we need to go and practice. It's something that needs to be repeated more and more and more, so that at the end of the day you understand. Right, Arishebe 3.1.3.
Okay.
Olewe 5 minus 4x, whenever x minus 7x. And this is something that we need to deal with. This is something that we need to deal with. Now, Harilimo, Sheba like terms. This one, we can leave it as 5 minus 4x. I see like terms because 5 is x. Concentrate on that. X minus 7x minus 6x. Because only 1 minus 7 is minus 6x. Then I get like terms. I can simplify. Now, Agilimu, you need to remove the brackets by distributive law of multiplication. Or negative 6x multiplied by negative 4x. 6 times 4 give 24. 24x squared. Because negative 4 times negative 6 is 24. X multiplied by x is x squared. And then multiply hape. Remember, this is positive. You are saying negative 6 times 5. You find negative 30 in x. Negative 6 times 5k, negative 30x. Remember, you are having negative 6x multiplied by 5. You find negative 30x. You cannot add or subtract this. Why? Because the exponent monaki 1, the exponent monaki 2, you just leave it as it is. They are not like terms. Now, before the Katella go for homework, let's go to 3.2. More 3.2. Bare if x squared plus 4x equals 6x minus 8, find the value of x squared minus 2x plus 3. Get 5 mark. You need to listen very good, because you must evaluate grade 9, grade 10.
3.1.2 max.
3.1.2.
Yeah.
I don't know. I got Shabahan. If x squared plus 4x equals 6x minus x minus 8, find the value of x squared minus 2x plus 8. Now, I can show this. Go to x squared plus 4x, elegantly 6x minus 8. Have a simplified this. Having these numbers ready second part. Rebelli x squared plus 4x. When this one goes to that side, it becomes negative. When this one goes to that side, it becomes positive. Because we've taken these two terms to that side, we are left with nothing on this side, which is 0. There are like terms here. 4x minus 6x is minus 2x. So you'll have x squared minus 2x plus 8 equals 0. Again? Right, so this thing simplifies to x squared minus 2x plus 8 equals 0. They said find the value of this. Find the value of this. Now the question is, how do we do that? If x squared plus 4x equals 6x minus 8, find the value of this. Right, the factors are 80. Take our fund 2 is 4 and 2. Again, so we can come here and factorize this. We can say xx 4 and 2. The factors are 8. Take our fund 2, give 4 and 2 because 4 times 2 is 8. Again, and a 4 minus 2 is 2. The bigger number, which is 4, must take the sign of the middle term, which is negative. When I multiply these two things, I must get a positive. But now when I level thata mo. Otoba level thata bo serious mo. Because if the bigger number takes the sign of the middle term, otoba na matata serious. I cannot use a positive here. Because negative 4 times 2, it's negative 8. Already I have a problem. This 8 I negative is positive. Let me check whether I can copy them to your hand. X squared plus 4x equals 6x minus 8. Hey, we are correct. So I can't factorize this. It cannot be factorized. I can never find the factors of 8 that can give me negative 2. I can't factorize that. So how will I find the value of x squared minus 2x plus 3? Because the value of this one, x squared, Shabbat this one, x squared minus 2x plus 3. I can factorize this. I can say xx 3 and 1. The bigger number takes the sign. Even this one, it's problematic. Even this one, it's highly and highly problematic. Even this one, it's highly and highly problematic. I cannot find the factors of 3 that can give me negative 2. It's highly and highly problematic. So let us try to check exactly what is happening here. If x squared plus 4x equals 6x minus 8, find the value of x squared minus 2x plus 3. We've tried to simplify this, and it simplifies to that. 4 minus 6 is minus 2. I cannot factorize this. I can't factorize this. This cannot be factorized. And then if it cannot be factorized, there's nothing we can do. We will need to use a quadratic. Even this one, I cannot find that value. So how do we solve this? How do we solve this? This one will require a quadratic. Even that one will also require a quadratic, because this one is an equation. This one is a mathematical expression. So we are dealing with two different things. Because by quadratic, I can find the value more. I can say minus b, 2 plus the root of 2 squared minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 into a. Math error. This cannot be solved. So come on, Tomang, the discriminant is 0. This is unsolvable. X squared minus 2x plus 8 equals 0. It's a complex number. This is highly complex. Even the second one, Leo, it's a complex number. So find the value of this. We can't find the value of that. We can't. Even x squared minus 2x plus 3, this expression, I cannot find the value of x, boy, because I couldn't find the value of x on the first one. Because if one is the value of x again, I will substitute that x, that value where I see x, in order to find the value of this. Now that I cannot find the value of x, therefore this is unsolvable also. Because I cannot find the value of x here, therefore I cannot solve this, because I need that value of x to substitute where I see x so that I can find the value of the expression. So this is unsolvable, because the first one is a complex number, the second one you cannot find a value of x for that. Go and show your teacher this. Or teacher, Ntatang kenyang extra class with this is unsolvable. I cannot find the value of x, therefore I couldn't find the value of the expression because this is a complex number. Let me show you something. We can prove this by calculating what we call the discriminant. The discriminant equals b squared minus 4ac. The value of b is negative 2 squared minus 4a is 1, c is 8. You will get 4 minus 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 give us 12, 32. You will have 4 minus 32, which is negative 28. The root of negative 28 is a complex number. Therefore, it is unsolvable. It is unsolvable.
Resolve.